Hello guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThought series of Zero to Hero Python coding on Jetson Nano. We are in lesson number 33 and I'm going to talk about string length, right? Now, what is string length? How do you measure the length of a string? To get the length of a string, we got to use a special function or a method called len, L-E-N, okay, with a open bracket and a closed bracket, a normal bracket, not the square, not the curly, just a round bracket, okay. The len function with the bracket open and closed returns the actual length of a string, okay. These are pretty important functions, guys. You will realize in the future videos how important these kind of small stuffs plays a major role in robotics, and when you get into machine learning and artificial intelligence. All right, so let me show you an example of a string length. Let me log into Jetson Nano and I am already logged in. I hope you guys are logged in and you are using Jetson Nano. All right, so let's create a new file, Python file in Nano IDE called Nano. What do we name? String length. Okay, string length dot py. All right, I am into IDE. Now let me show you a equal to hello comma world. Let me close this with a double quote and then print, and now you are going to use a method called len, L-E-N, okay. And then what do you want to call for? You need to call a. All right, what is an a and what is the length of a? And then you need to close the bracket. Remember guys, you guys did take a look at several examples I gave you about type, right? Similar way, in a full bracket, right, you need to use the rounded bracket with this function, or you can call it as a method called len, and again you need to call what exactly you want to know about the size of that particular length of a string. All right, now let's see. Yeah, I think this should work. Let me Control O, enter, Control X. All right, let's execute that file. Python 3 string length dot py 11. Can you see that? So you will get the exact output of the length of the string which you gave, hello comma world, right, including the double quotes and stuff like that. So you will get that exact the length of that particular string. All right guys, this is a pretty simple example, but it's going to get more and more complex very soon. That's it for lesson number 32. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, do like, and let's have some fun in the next videos. Bye bye, see you soon.